Game dogs, man. Game dogs. We training the bully to be the game dog bully, man. Get it, girl. We got pretty girl Hazel versus fly girl Sky. Y'all comment down below. Let me know who y'all think gonna win. Bully versus a pit. Get it. Now look, let me show you control. This is control. In a minute, I'm going to tell them stop. They're going to stop on a dime. By the way, guys, this is a 3-month bully versus a 5-month pit. She going to be 6 months in a couple days. They 3 months apart. They not blood related, but they sisters. These girls are sisters. Athletic bullies over here. That's all we got. And these is pups, y'all. Wait till you see them get bigger. They gonna fill out nice. Watch. Guarantee you these girls gonna fill out nice. Hey, everybody cut it. That's it. Look, she went out the door. Sit. Hey, sit. Look at her. Look at that body. No high rear, great top line, beautiful chest, beautiful face. Just wait till her puppies drop. No, she ain't pregnant. She already had her first heat. Guarantee you. Hey, give it a break. Merle. Ooh, they got a battle going on here, man.